Google has had a banner year. Not only did the Pixel 6a win our hearts by encapsulating everything good about the Pixel 6 in a mid-range phone, but the company has already teased the upcoming Pixel 7 Pro for a fall 2022 release. Well, this is what exactly the video is going to be about. There's a lot that you are missing out on, but this video will cover everything you need to know about the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Let's get moving. The Google Pixel 7 Pro is expected to be the more outstanding of the two handsets released by Google this month. Given the size and likely specs of Google's upcoming phone, we anticipate it will compete with the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the Galaxy S22 Plus, as well as higher-end devices like the Galaxy S22 Ultra. To compete with those phones, the Pixel 7 Pro will need to deliver something special. Can you guess? We still don't know what that will be, but we're getting a better idea now that the Google event on October 6th is less than a week away. Google teased with Pixel 7 lineup earlier this year, and more detailed specifications have since leaked. We know that the phone will get a new Tensor processor and a slightly updated design, but that's about all we can say with certainty. Google has sent out invitations to an event on October 6th in Brooklyn where it promises to introduce the latest additions to our family of devices. As a result, we can expect to see the Pixel 7 Pro and other Pixel devices, such as the previously teased Pixel Watch. If you want to follow the Made by Google product launch on October 6th, you can do so by visiting our guide on how to watch the event, which begins at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 a.m. Pacific Time. The Pixel 7 phones are expected to be released on October 18th, 12 days after their unveiling, which is a day later than the previously rumored October 13th release date. With last year's Pixel 6 release, Google overhauled the look of its phones, and that distinctive appearance, a horizontal camera bar stretching across the back of the phone, will continue with this year's models, according to Pixel 7 images Google has shared. Still, a few changes are possible. The camera bar on the new Pixels will be aluminum, and the lenses will be organized in a slightly more prominent manner, with the telephoto lens on the Pixel 7 Pro set apart from the main and ultra-wide cameras. The Pixel 7 Pro confirms a slightly altered new look, and an early hands-on with some Pixel 7 prototypes indicates the Pro is roughly the same size and weight as its predecessor. The Pixel 7 Pro slightly wider, 76.68 millimeters versus 75.89 millimeters, but this isn't a noticeable difference with the naked eye. The new phone is also 0.2 of a millimeter thinner than the previous model. However, the screen size is expected to remain unchanged at 6.7 inches. The Pixel 6 Pro's OLED panel could adjust its refresh rate between 10 Hz and 120 Hz based on what was happening on the screen, and we expect that feature to return for the Pixel 7 Pro. Some new phones can scale down to 1 Hz to save battery life, and we wouldn't mind if Google incorporated that capability into its upcoming phone. The Pixel 7 Pro's cameras aren't expected to change much, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. The Pixel 6 Pro is one of the best camera phones, so using the same camera hardware on this year's model should result in some stunning photos. The main difference between the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel 7 Plus that we already know about is the Tensor G2 silicone that will power the new versions of Google's phone. The Tensor chip was introduced by Google last year as a way to bring more machine learning-powered experiences to its devices, and based on features like on-device translation and phone tree navigation, you'd say the move paid off. We're excited to see what new features an improved Tensor chip will bring. Google's Pixel phones have always been about the cameras, as previous Pixels had given the iPhone and its cameras everything they could handle. With Pixel 7 Pro's camera hardware, Google has a special feature or two up its sleeve that delivers a magic eraser amount of wow. Well, that's all about Google Pixel 7 Pro. What do you think about this video? For more exciting and informative videos, keep watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.